Hey, it's Avery. I'm doing a Pizza Hut mukbang, and I do have the baby with me, and I got her a little mini cheese pizza. So let me give her a piece. Make sure it's not hot. It's not hot. You're good. And like I normally got pepperoni, jalapeno, and pineapple, and I got thin crust this time. Good. Very good. Oops. I kind of like the thin crust better because it's more crunchy. I have Zevio, which is my favorite. I like it better than regular soda because it's not as much. Got some Parmesan hot sauce. The baby's eating her pizza. So I haven't did a video in a while because I've been working. I don't know why, but I was expecting this to come in squares, but now I'm remembering that it's Papa John's, I believe. She keeps trying to eat my pizza. Come on. Is it good? I got her some water to drink. Her pizza does look good. I do like cheese, just regular cheese sometimes. Wow, so they didn't cut this. This is supposed to be one slice. And this is a slice. I don't know who cut this pizza. That's crazy. Is it good? She likes picking the stuff. Get out the cup holder. She likes putting her hands in the cup holder after they're dirty. But she likes picking the stuff off the pizza. Is it good? Good? Anyways, it's okay. Did you wipe your hands on me? Yes. I don't know why you did that. So, tomorrow, no, not tomorrow, Monday when I get off work, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some healthy stuff to eat. I'm just so tired of eating bad. Like, so tired of it. Like, oh. Like, look, it looks good, but it's just like, the way you feel after, like, I already don't want anymore. Excuse me. Is it good? You want a different one? Give me this one. Give me this one. Well, I'm gonna have to change after this because she got me dirty. So I'm gonna have the last small piece and then save the rest for her dad. I'm not really feeling it, but I know he'll eat some, even though he had pizza earlier. And one of them frozen stuffed crust pizzas. So I've been watching the Golden Girls like for days. And the opening song is stuck in my head. Like, seriously. Take it out your mouth so you can take a sip. Here. She loves water. Things have just been pretty boring lately, honestly, because I just go to work, come home, eat, and go to bed. Ooh, my mouth's a little tingly from the jalapenos. Hey. Stop wiping your hands on me. I'm full. You full? You only had 2 pieces. Well, you're still working on your second. We had some white Cheetos before this came. They were saying like 70 to 80 minutes for delivery. I was like, wow. So we did that. Stop touching me with your dirty hands, crazy girl. You're crazy. Oh, I'm super full. The Zevia makes me burp so much. So let's move this closer. She loves wiping her hands on me. Thank you. No, I'm good. I got some. Okay. Let me back up and grab this and move it a little closer. Look. I'll take one more bite for the camera. Pizza. Don't touch the pizza box. I'm super full. Hey, are you done? Some water? It's spilling. I'm gonna have to clean you up. She's really just chewing on the pizza because she's seething. So she's not really eating it. That's why I let her have it, because she really just picks the stuff off the top of it. But normally I cook a meal about every night when I get home. You can't have this one because it's got jalapenos on it. Look. Hey. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Yeah, I don't want yours. You can have it. Anyways, guys, I will be making another video tomorrow. Maybe when I'm on break at lunch. I don't know yet. But I will see you guys later.